Fight is over. For generations, we have asked ourselves one question. When Africa unites, what shall we call our great nation? Today, I give you the answer. A name that is entirely ours, powerfully and uniquely ours. The United Continent of Africa. This is not just a suggestion. This is a revelation. As authors of our own destiny, we must choose a name that liberates us, not one that imitates. A name that expands us, not one that limits us. The United States of Africa honors the Berlin Conference. The current states of Africa are children of that conference. That was the very event that carved our homeland into fragments. We are not uniting fragments. We are healing the canvas itself. We are uniting a continent, our continent, the continent of Africa, which is a primordial, geographical and spiritual whole. This name, the United Continent of Africa, doesn't recognize colonial borders. It transcends them. It honors our continent. This is a conscious act of political and philosophical clarity. The United States of America is the USA. The United Continent of Africa is the UCA. This name is ours. It is unique. It is audacious. It cannot be confused or compared. It stands as its own declaration. A continent united. This originality is a strategic masterstroke. It signals to the world that we are not following the templates. We are establishing one. Our time to shine demands a title that reflects our unprecedented journey. Africans, this is our manifest destiny. We are uniting our continent because our moment in history has arrived. The name, the United Continent of Africa, is more than a phrase. It is a banner under which we march toward our shared destiny. It belongs to every African, from Cairo to the Cape, from Dakar to Djibouti. It is the name of the one country belonging to all Africans. Say it with me. I am a citizen of the United Continent of Africa. Feel the unity. Claim the identity. Now that the debate on the name is concluded, the work of building the reality commences intensely. Share this message. Spread the vision. Comment UCA to stand in agreement. We are the generation that will answer history's greatest call. Our unity is our power. Our name is our destiny. Onward to the United Continent of Africa.